Hello, back with day 2 of the 5-day dumbbell split in the last week of my bulk. Today is legs and core day. I'll be starting off with a front rack dumbbell squat. I'm going to be using the 50-pound dumbbells, 4 sets. Last week I did 4 sets of 11 reps, so I will be attempting 12 reps, and I will be dying. Alright. Whew. Ouch. Okay, next is RDLs, Russian deadlifts, 50-pound dumbbells. Last week I did 4 sets of 14 reps, so 15 reps today? Let's see. Next up, I've got rear lunges off of the stepping block. I'll be holding 50-pound dumbbells at my side, suitcase style. 3 sets per side, each leg. Last week I did 9 reps. This is possibly the toughest exercise in the whole week for me. It's tough and it gets my heart pumping. I'm gonna be drenched. Here we go! Whew, that was tough. Alright, next up, 3 sets of sumo squats. If I want to beat last week's numbers, I gotta do more than 9 reps. So 10 reps. Whew. Next up, I have some seated calf raises. I'll be sitting on the bench, toes on the blocks, hold the 50-pound dumbbells, 1 in each knee. I got 4 sets of 20. Alright, time for some core work. First up is a weighted crunch. I'll be holding a 25-pound dumbbell while doing crunches. I have 3 sets of 20 reps. Alright, next up is side plank holds. 30 seconds on each side, 3 sets. I'm not going to take any breaks in between sets. I'm going to go from one arm right to the next. Woo! Woo! And day 2 of the 5-day split is finally done. This is the last week of my bulk, which is also the last week where I'll be pushing for big numbers on my current workout routine. At least mentally, probably physically too. This is the toughest day for me, so I'm glad I'll have a little bit of a break. Next week I'll be eating at maintenance and I'll be deloading, so my lifts won't be as intense for a bit, and then I'll be cutting after that. In terms of today, I went up in reps in all the main exercises: front rack squat, deadlift, the rear lunge, and the sumo squat. I'll be back tomorrow. It is back and bicep day. Lots of rows, lots of curls. You know. Well, thank you for watching. Later, and get sweaty.